My family and I love to travel a lot. We don't like eating outside, especially me. I can't eat food prepared by someone. So because of that, whenever we travel, my husband always makes sure that we get a hotel that has kitchen so that his lovely wife can prepare food for them to eat. Because of that, I have been able to come up with this, and trust me, it is very helpful. So I decided to share with you. Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Lena and welcome to my kitchen. So I have my tomatoes here. This is how I cut or chopped the tomatoes. I'll be sharing with you in another video how I was able to dry the tomatoes without sun and also dehydrator. So the next ingredient on our list is our spring onion. You may call it scallion. You may call it green onions. Anyhow that you will call it, depending on wherever you are. So that is how I cut the scallions as well. And this is how our bell pepper was also chopped or cut into pieces. Okay, so I have my carrot as well here, and with the carrot we are going to blend it without water. So I chopped it into pieces like this and then blended it. So when I was blending it, I use the pause key. Okay, you blend, then you pause, you blend, then you pause. But with this case, I used the Ninja blender, so it was very helpful. So after everything, this is how it has become very dry. The tomatoes, I'll be bringing you how I dried it, but with the scallions and the bell pepper, then the carrot, I used my air fryer to dry it and also to toast it a little bit. And just look at that, it has dried very well. So what I showed you earlier was tomatoes I bought from the store. Okay, and it was very dark, so I didn't know why it was very dark, and that is why I decided to do mine too looks a little bit darker, but at least I made it at home and I know what I'm coming to eat. So I decided to throw the one that I bought away, and as you can see that the scallions looks a bit bent. Yes, because I used the air fryer, as I said earlier. If today is the first time here and you are interested in cooking, please, what are you waiting for? Can you please smash on the red button and the bell icon that says all for more videos? And if you are watching me from Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, please do not forget to follow me. It is actually free. Follow me on Facebook at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. So now we are going to blend our ingredients. Okay, you make sure the blender is very dry. It does not contain any water. It is not wet. Okay, so I'm going to blend this and I'll show you how it looks. Please stay with me and do not go anywhere. So this is how the scallions were looking. Okay, now after I'm done blending my ingredients, I'm just going to add my shrimps to it. You can omit it. So after adding it, this is how it looks. As we're going to add some smoked dry fish to it and then blend it. Whilst we are blending, let me introduce my other ingredients to you. I have my cayenne pepper I made at home. The link will pop up there. I have my parsley. I don't joke with that. I have some rosemary. I have homemade all-purpose seasoning that I use, all-purpose spice. I use natural spice for it. I'll be bringing you the recipe very soon. And that is ginger powder I made at home. The link will pop up. I have my garlic powder. I'll be bringing you the recipe very soon, and that is my onion powder. You mix it very well until it becomes uniform. So after mixing it, I'm just going to add it to the things that we are blending, and then I will show you the result. If you've watched till this point and you haven't subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe for more videos, and I'll be very grateful. Thank you so much for your time. My returning subscribers, I do appreciate your time here, and I don't take it for granted. And if you like this video, do not forget to like, share, and also leave me a comment. So we are done blending, and this is how it looks. Just look at that color. I just love it. So with this, all you need is oil. You just have to buy your oil at a nearby store, using myself as an example. Then I just prepare stew for the family, for us to eat, instead of me going to buy tomatoes, ginger, garlic, and a lot of that. I just have this in my airtight container, and my jollof or stew is ready. It is so simple, very healthy, and also you know what you are eating. Please do not forget to like this video if you like it, and also try this recipe and let me know how it was helpful to you. So I come your way next time. Always remember, I love you. Take good care of yourself, be kind, and always love yourself first. See you in the next one. Bye.